Greetings of the day. Welcome to today's podcast. I am Saloni Patel.
I'm Tanesha Patel.
We are the students of IIT Ahmedabad, and today we are here to share some insights of comparative study on two cities, two cultures, and two very different rhythm of life, Hyderabad and Zurich.
Yeah, and what I love about this comparison is that neither is trying to be the other. Hyderabad is unapologetically bold and Zurich is quietly confident.
Hyderabad is the city of pearls and innovation, and Zurich is financial heart of Switzerland and a symbol of precision and quality.
Where we are here to explore the places through its food. We're exploring its way of life as well. Well, cuisine is not just about taste. It reflects the history, the culture, and the values of the place, and it connects people to one another. And when we place Hyderabad and Zurich side by side, the contrast becomes both meaningful and fascinating.
Keeping in mind the cities we are talking about today, let's put two different cultures and cities in the world of culinary side by side.
Exactly. Hyderabad's food comes straight from royal kitchens. It's bold, aromatic, and deeply influenced by Mughal and Persian traditions. Think Hyderabadi biryani, kebabs, and halim. Slow cooked, spice rich, layered, and flavored. Dum cooking isn't just a technique, it's a tradition.
Now compare that with Zurich. Swiss cuisine is almost opposite. Simple, precise, and ingredient focused. Dishes like rosti rely more on techniques than spices.
In Hyderabad, the meals are more emotional and communal. Big portion sizes, shared plates, and food tied to festivals and occasions.
While in Zurich, eating is structured and mindful, portions are controlled, and meal timings are fixed. Quality always comes before quantity.
While in Hyderabad, the dishes and the cuisines are mostly dominated by rice and rich gravies.
Zurich, on the other hand, is all about breads, potatoes, dairy, and chocolate.
So, while Hyderabad feeds the soul with spice and celebration,
Zurich feeds it with balance, precision, and purity of flavors.
in Hyderabad, the food's a little more dramatic, in the best way that is. You don't just cook food, you build it. Layers of spice, marination, slow cooking, it's culinary storytelling.
Exactly. Take biryani. It's not just rice and meat, it's technique, patience, and heritage. Dum cooking seals everything together so flavors develop over hours, not just minutes.
And there's emotion attached to food as well. Like food in Hyderabad, mostly related to weddings, festivals, even casual gatherings. Everything revolves around a big shared meal.
Hyderabad's cuisine carry way over centuries, shaped by royal kitchen, cultural exchanges. Cooking here is rarely rushed. Recipes are passed down to generations, and food is meant to bring people together.
In Hyderabad, ingredients are chosen very wisely, not just for flavor, but for emotions as well. Traditions, meals often include multiple dishes, which is also paired with rich gravies, breads, and sides. Cooking is an act of care, and serving food is a form of respect. Here, the guests are encouraged to eat more, not out of formality, but out of warmth and hospitality.
Now contrast that with Zurich, where food reflects precision and balance. Swiss cuisine is less about layers and more about clarity.
Here, the food is designed to have a supported of healthy lifestyle and long lifestyle, which is efficient. Rather than complexity, the food is of all about quality. Fresh ingredients, clean flavors, and precise preparation. Meals are thoughtfully planned.
Seasonality plays a strong role in Zurich food culture. Menus often change based on the seasons, highlighting sustainability and responsible consumption. Dairy, bread, vegetable, and simple portion from backbone of everyday meals.
Right. Dishes like roti look simple, but the technique is very controlled. Timing, temperature, and quality of ingredients matter more.
And that really matches Swiss culture. Meals are structured, people eat on time, portions are measured, and food is meant to be nourished.
One thing that really stands out in the comparison is that Hyderabad is all about street food culture. The city comes alive at night. Irani chai, kebab, samosa, and those legendary late night food spots.
Zurich is almost opposite. There is very little street food but a strong cafe culture and bakery culture. It's quieter, but it depends on coffee, bread, cheese, and conversation.
And desserts, don't even get me started. Hyderabad loves rich festival style sweets like double ka meetha, kubani ka meetha, heavy indulgent celebratory.
Zurich finishes on refined note, chocolate, pastries, fruit dessert, sweet but controlled.
So if Hyderabad's cuisine is about generosity, celebration, and intensity,
Zurich is about discipline, balance, and respect to ingredients.
Exactly. One feeds the soul with spice and stories, the other feeds it with simplicity and structure.
And that's the beauty of food. It doesn't just fill you up, it explains where you are.
Two cities, two culinary philosophies, one universal language. Thank you and stay tuned for more.